was just skipping from the city. Airtel, music playing. Girl, do something, but you better start to shake it. Airtel, people jamming, understanding, but you better start to shake it. Oh Lord, shake, but like you promised me, shake. Are you go shake for me? Shake. People are watching me, so I'm begging, I'm begging, I'm begging. Airtel, music playing. Girl, do something, but you better start to shake it. Airtel, people jamming, understanding, but you better start to shake it. Oh Lord. Way now. Oh, let me go, let me go, let me go, let me go now.
Extremely overwhelmed. I have to tell you, we only slept 3 hours last night. We joked this morning, we hit the alarm and we said, nah, let's not go to Aruba. And wow, I'm really glad we got on the plane. And then we sat in the back of the plane and we said, no, we're not going to win anything. Don't get your hopes up. We're just going to enjoy our trip. We worked really hard to save up for this trip, and we're on a budget here. And I would never imagine this is my life. Thank you so much. And I do have to say this, and he's gonna laugh at me, but I'm a therapist. I'm a marriage and family therapist, and I work in one of the roughest places in the United States. I work in Flint, Michigan. And every day I work with kids who are on probation and who are dealing with violence and death. And it's really hard to go home some days and think that there's so many poor people in the world and there's so much hatred and fighting and death. And this really instills that there's so many good people in the world. And I just really appreciate that. It just keeps me going, and I love it. So thank you all.
It's 3 hours and you stand up in one foot. Airtel, music playing, but girl,